Navigation. I do not get. I'm going to change my thinking. On the. Oh. Oh. Oh, we got the police. Wow. That's crazy. Anyways, not mine. But these and the BMW E46, which is down there. And hopefully these help with my misfire, because that's a freaking problem. It's running really bad. It's basically not drivable, so yeah. We'll see what happens. Also, apologize about the video quality. I'm on my phone because my camera is dead and my SD card is full, and my wallet is empty, so I can't get a new SD card. And my GoPro is dead, and my GoPro SD card is. Alright, yeah, alright, yeah, we're going right, yeah, he's just chilling. Alright, guys, I think Mr. Salamander bro, Mr. Sal over here, I think Sal left. He almost got coned though, so good thing he left. Wonder where he went. Maybe he's in the water. Hey guys, I got my toolbox. I got a cone. Got a high vis cone that might keep the cars from clipping me from the side. Nice. Ignition coil. Spark plugs is what might not be fine. And now my brother just randomly got home. Pete the Stiller, aka Guy Smiley. Click on the button up there. Just kidding. He has more subscribers than me. There's no reason for me to freaking advertise him. Alright, let's see if I can loosen this with one hand. Oh gosh, I don't want to chop my fingers off. Hold on. My phone's probably going to fall right now, and it's probably going to break. What's that? There we go. That was actually not that hard. Wow. Alright. Ew, really? Yep. Where is anti-seize? 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 Uh-oh. Anti-seize? Anti-seize? Where the frick is my anti-seize? Alright guys, I found the anti-seize. That was the most difficult part about all this. Let me make sure everything is still here. Got my little cone. Got my little watch out, I'm right here lights on. Did anyone steal any of my stuff? Oh yeah, everything's gone. I don't know what I'm saying. Here. Ooh. Shoot, that's a lot. Alright.
That's all you need?
That's actually a lot, because as you put it in, it's gonna...
Oh, really? No way.
Alright, guys, so... Cylinder 2, not looking very handsome. Yeah. This is what happens when you drive around with misfires for like a year. I definitely gotta freaking figure out what's causing this bad fuel mixture and these misfires to start in the first place. Spark plug here. Fresh, dude. Alright, guys. I have finished the spark plug job. I have not turned my car on yet. Pretty straightforward, literally. You know, the cylinders, pretty nice, pretty easy. Went pretty smoothly, no issues. Pretty much dark out now. But next thing is just to turn the car on and see if that helps my misfires at all. Alright guys, it is currently 1:20 a.m. I ate dinner. Here's the last bite of my cookie. I'm gonna see if my car starts, and if it does start, I'm gonna see if it runs better than it did before. Alright guys, here goes. Alright guys, this is gonna be loud, but let's see what happens. Alright, it did turn on. Let's see.